double detangler shampoo for this. I'm going to use this as a conditioner. So I'm going to use this Miadi Living treatment.
Do you remember when you walked away? When all of our embers became ashes of grey? But I've been going time again and time again. I hope that you will see my heart too. But you don't remember me like I remember you. Like I remember you. I've been searching for the right time, but there's never a right time, only a wrong time. And I wish I could just be honest. I don't wanna say goodbye.
Hi guys, good morning. It's currently in the morning here. It's actually we are in the afternoon. It's 1 p.m. Yes, so I want to get ready and take a shower, and in the process I want to wash my hair. Yeah, so my hairdresser is coming. I'll be making my hair for him today. Yeah, my signature hairstyle, you know it. I'll show you at the end. Yeah, don't mind how this thing is dirty. It's being a mommy. Imagine this thing was clean. Anyway, I wanted to show you what I'm using to wash my hair today. I'm doing it from home. I'm washing my hair myself. Yeah, so I'm going to use this Cream of Nature Double Duty Detangler shampoo, but leather and flaxseed. Yeah, I've shown you this before, and I'm going to use this hair shampoo and conditioner afterwards. Yeah, so this I'm going to use this as a conditioner and this as a shampoo, though this can be a conditioner and a shampoo at the same time, but there's something with this that I love so much. Yeah, and then thereafter I'm going to use this Miadi Living treatment, water based. I found out that this treatment that are they're like lotion, yeah, they're white in color. They tend to leave flakes on my hair, so I'm just going to stick to the water-based treatment. You see, it's just like a spray. It smells amazing. This is what I'm going to use. This as the conditioner and this as a shampoo. Yeah, I've never used Miadi before, so I will be honest with you guys, I've never used it before. What I've used is this, and I could not find its conditioner. So in the meantime, we'll use this until we get a conditioner, cream of nature. Okay, that's how it look like. It may shrink. I undid it like 2 days ago. Yeah, and I'm just going to do a natural hairstyle because I have a problem with headaches. Right now I have a headache. Yeah, so I'm just going to do my hair. I don't want braids or something like that. Just need something light, so that means my natural hair will do. And I think you're going to see me with my natural hair for quite some time, even months, until I solve this headache issue. Yeah, guys, so you can also tell me what you think could be the problem. Have you ever had a headache problem that doctors are not finding out what the actual problem is? Yeah, so I love tea so much. So some people were telling me I should reduce on sugars and see how it goes. It's day 2 of of taking tea without sugar. Nasikia ni kama hiyo chai ni baridi na ni moto, haina sukari. Yeah, so we'll try and see. Also, I had started working out, but I stopped because of the headaches, migraines. So until I figure out what is happening to me, that's when I'll go back to working out, because after workout still I have terrible headaches. Yeah, so maintaining such hair is just a problem. People who have a lot of hair, how do you maintain your hair? Kama yangu ilikatika nikibomoa a lot of it. Hey,
left behind, and I've lost everything, forever living in the dark. I feel so alive, still remembering what I want, but it ends with you. Candlelight.
I don't know if my hairline is trying to survive. I did knotless. I had knotless braids, so I don't know. But one thing with me, my hair doesn't just bother me. Kikatika is all fine. Kika is all fine because it grows back. So huwa nachana kiasi before I go wash it. So let me go and wash it. I'll see you when Mr. is back. Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever time you're watching. This is the following day, and I didn't show you my hairstyle yesterday because I don't know what happened, but here we are. This is what we came up with. I always do this hairstyle when I want to do my natural hair. This is the side style we chose. It lasts longer compared to the 2 lines. Now you see, and I do not like disturbing my hair. in the middle of the month and all that. So I always try and do my hair once a month. So hata kama ni hizi, I'll try and stretch them. Nasitakangi kushinda nimeosha nywele na kuisumbua. That leads to a lot of breakage, so we avoid that. So when you have this hairstyle, always try to avoid touching your hair. Yeah, so this is from experience. So you know, you tend to get your hands on your hair all the time when you have this hairstyle, and it tends to make them straight instead of curly. Okay, so if you didn't know, now you know. Yeah, so I have this on. This is a lifter gloss from Maybelline, number 19. You'll not be able to see it well because it's, my camera is inverted. As I was saying, I want to head out. I want to go to the market and do a market restock. Also, we'll go to the supermarket and do some restock. But for the supermarket, I'm doing just a little bit of restock kidogo to some items that I really need, because last month I did a very huge shopping, but I didn't shoot it because I was on a break. I've been away for 1 month. For those who are coming back, they might know sijakuwa around. Yeah, so I'm back. And also guys, please clap for me because I'm trying to look at the camera instead of looking at myself, because I always look at myself. So I'm really trying to learn to maintain this position of just looking at the camera, not admiring myself while shooting.
Ashes of gray, but I've been going time again and time again. I hope that you will see my heart too, but you don't remember me like I remember you.
It has gotten so hot. Until the matter sweater. Let me just walk.
I've been searching for the right time, but there's never a right time, only a wrong time.
Kuniekea managu.
And I wish I could just be honest. I don't wanna say goodbye, and if I can't fix this, I hope you believe that I tried. Do you remember when you said you'd stay, when all of our memories kept us feeling okay? Like I remember you. I've been searching for the right time, but there's never a right time, only a wrong time. And I wish I could just be honest. I don't wanna say goodbye. If I can't fix this, I hope you believe that I tried. But there's never a right time.
and I want to show you the things I got. Okay, yeah, so you need to begin with the market items. Also, I bought this jig mix, yeah, at 150 shillings. Sometimes I usually mix it myself, sometimes I buy from the supermarket. This is a lot more. This is 5 liters, and I'm going to show you how I mix it. Yeah, I also had to buy this for this. Guys, I've never owned a flower vase for the dining table. That is the reason why is having a small baby. Nilijua tutavunjwa because for my TV stand ilivunjwa na ni the one I bought from House of Leather kitambo, it was very expensive. So the one I bought from House of Leather before had these flowers. So hizi flowers zimekuanga tu, yeah, after ivunjike. So they found a home finally. They are artificial roses.